the centerpiece I'm going to be doing today is a wisteria centerpiece, and I decided to use this stand that I have here already. It's very pretty. It has a lot of acrylic crystals, and I'm just going to explain to you how I create it, okay? If you have any questions, just comment below, and of course I will answer you. I'm going to link everything I use in the description box. Now, these candlesticks, you can get them anywhere. They're on Amazon, they're at the Dollar Tree. Of course, you're going to get them at the Dollar Tree much cheaper. Now, they're not perfect. There's some imperfection to these. So when you stack them, you have to be careful. And even when you stack them the best you can, sometimes you will get a little, they will look a little lean. Depending on how you do the centerpiece, you can camouflage that so the lean is not noticeable. So just stack one, let it stay for 4 hours dry, and then you do another. And I'm gonna link a video at the end of this video just for you to see how I did these candlestick centerpiece. So the first thing I do to create the centerpiece, and the best thing about the centerpiece, it's like 2-in-1. Now I'm gonna show you another way you can use a centerpiece. You create one look, or you create one centerpiece and you get 2 looks from this one, and I'll show you. I got this, I'm gonna link in the description box where I got it, and all I did was glue one of these candlesticks on top. I let it dry, and then I have an ashtray here, and I'm gonna zoom in so you can see the ashtray, as well as link a pic of what it looks like. After this is dry, then I just attach another candlestick on the top, the smaller part of the candlestick down, so we have this bigger part facing up, okay, on top. Then I just stack them. So in all I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 candlesticks. You can go higher and put 6 or 7. You're just gonna need more acrylic crystals for that nice flowy look, okay? Look how pretty it is. See how pretty? Now, on top is just a piece of glass, and it's a stand, and that's gonna be linked where I got that as well. So when I glue it together, I'm gonna show you. After I glue the stand together, that is when I add the acrylic crystals. And what I did was use E6000 glue. I put a drop of a drop of glue on, actually on here. Then I took the crystal and just put it on top like so, and just held it down. And as soon as it dry, I just let it go and just put the crystal on top here. And I did all of them like that and let them dry before I attach all of these. Now for the ashtray part of it, same thing. You take a little bit of the E6000 glue, put it on the ashtray, and then you just stick the bottom part of the crystal on it, hold it down. You're gonna have to hold that one down. Sometimes, you can blow on it and let it get tacky, and then it's good to go. You just add the rest. Okay, any questions? Just let me know. I hope I explained that well. Now, looking at the centerpiece, you can use it just as is. Okay, so glass piece here, 10 inches in diameter. Same centerpiece here, like I just created, but the way I'm going to do it is I'm just going to flip it over, and you get a totally different look, and I just love it. Right? Look at that. See that? It looks like a beautiful kind of chandelier. And you just place it on your glass base. Voila. Look at that. See how pretty? This is the ashtray. Now, this is another type of ashtray that I got from the Dollar Tree.
Now I'm going to be working on the top part of the centerpiece. It's going to be filled with wisterias and hydrangeas.
I finished adding the flowers to the centerpiece. Now I'm going to add some orbs. Okay, so this is a complete look. I went ahead and add 6 orbs, add some tea lights in there as well. So I removed all the orbs and I just love the way it looks. It's very fluffy. I love the bottom with acrylic crystals. It is nice and just glamorous. Remember to like, share, subscribe, comment below if you have any questions. And thank you so much for watching my video. I appreciate you all. Bye.